Today we are meeting to announce the schedule for the general elections to the assemblies of Tripura, Meghalaya and Nagaland. Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura all have got 60 seats in their assemblies. Electoral roll have been, final publication has been done. And as far as Meghalaya is concerned, the 10th January 2018, the final publication of the electoral roll was done with the 1st January 18 as a qualifying date. Total number of voters is 18.30 lakhs. In Nagaland, it was 10th January and the total number of voters is 11.89 lakh voters. Tripura, it was 5th January and total number of voters is 25.69 lakhs. This is the number of voters who will be going to for polling in the coming election. Photo electoral rolls have been given 100% in Meghalaya and Tripura and 98% in Nagaland. Similarly, epic cards have also been distributed 100% in Meghalaya, Tripura and Nagaland is 98%. So I would share with you the schedule. The first is the election to the three states will be in two rounds. In the first round, the state of Tripura would go to poll. The date of issue of Gazette notification would be 24th January, Wednesday. The last date of nominations would be 31st January 18, that is Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations would be on 1st February 18, Thursday. And last date for withdrawal of candidatures would be 3rd February, that is Saturday. Finally, the date of polling would be 18th February 2018, which is a Sunday. And the counting of the 18th February 2000, Tripura. And now coming to the other two states, Meghalaya and Nagaland. Should I repeat? For Tripura, I will say the first round Tripura elections would be held. Gazette notification 24th January 18. Last date of nomination 31st January. Scrutiny would be on 1st February 18. Withdrawal of candidate is up to 3rd February 18, Saturday. And date of polling would be 18th February 2018. Now coming to the second round of elections, it would be covering Meghalaya and Nagaland. Gazette notification would be issued on 31st January, that is Wednesday. Last date for nominations is 7th February 18, which is also Wednesday. Scrutiny would take place on 8th February, that is Thursday. And last date for withdrawal of candidature would be 12th February 18, which would be Monday. The date of polling would be 27th February, that is Tuesday. 27th February, as far as Meghalaya and Nagaland are concerned. As far as counting is concerned, the counting would be conducted in all the three states on the same day, that is 3rd March 2018, which is Saturday. 3rd March for all the three states. And the date before which election would be completed would be 5th March 2018. So this is the schedule for the polling and counting of votes for the states of Tripura, Meghalaya and Nagaland.